Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn quick and practical ways to handle everyday tech tasks. Want to send photos through email without any confusion or errors? In this tutorial, you'll learn the easiest way to attach and send images from any email platform. Step 1. Open your email and start New Message. Open your email service like Gmail or Outlook and click Compose or New Email. This will open a new message window where you can start writing your email. Step 2. Click the attachment icon. Look for the Paperclip icon, usually located at the bottom or top of the email window. Click on it to begin attaching files from your device. Before we go deeper, click subscribe and join thousands of tech enthusiasts mastering their digital tools. Step 3. Select your photo. A File Explorer window will navigate to where your photo is stored. Select the image and click Open to attach it to your email instantly. Step 4. Send your email. Enter the recipient's email address and write your message if needed. Click Send, and your photo will be delivered along with your email. And that's how you can attach and send photos via email quickly and professionally. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more smart and easy tech tutorials.